Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie Monique, and today I just thought that I got ready already, haven't really done my makeup in a while, and so I was feeling kind of experimental because I'm not really one to wear makeup, but it's quarantine, nobody gonna see me if this goes horrible. So I'm gonna try, a nice little everyday look, and we're gonna see how it turns out. I don't have any contacts either, so without these glasses I'm kind of blind. But we're gonna try to do this, we're gonna try to make it through. So I'm just gonna do a little natural look, nothing, crazy. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch that and take you along what I use to do my makeup when I do it, and that'll be it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you'll see me in the next clip.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, okay with me. Okay, I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh. But instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay with me. Okay, and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay with me. Okay. Sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind. But when I think back to you, I feel the same every time. Cause I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay with me. Okay, and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay with me. Okay, and that's okay with me. Okay with me. And that's okay with me. It's a cinder at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses, and let's 6 a.m. and no one knows how to stop them. Hold the drinks I want and help the one who's gone. Ta-ta, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get curly. Ta-ta, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get curly. Let's get curly, curly. Let's get curly, curly. With a hangover till 10 p.m. I'll say I'll never go again. Ta-ta, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get curly. Ta-ta, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get curly. Let's get curly, curly. Let's get curly, curly.
Alright, so we have officially made it to the end of this video. So this is the final look. As you can see, I think it turned out okay, probably even a little more than I would wear on an average day. But I think it turned out cute and it was a new look. Yeah, pretty neutral, just the browns and pinks and golds, and I think that looks really cute. So yeah, make sure you leave your rating of it down below. How do you think I did? Any tips that you can give me to make it better? I'm always looking for practice. I don't really do this, so I think this is pretty good for that. But other than that, I want to thank you all for watching, and maybe you learned something or saw a product that you like from this, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. In the meantime, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you know when I post. Also, make sure to leave some suggestions for what you guys will want to see in different videos, whether it be more makeup, hair, accessories, fashion, whatever. I'm open to all of that, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Bye.